Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to do like a really glowy makeup look. It's just that I thought, why not? It's really nice outside now. If you're looking for just something that's just like a nice base, really glowy base, like natural makeup for every day, this is what I would do. So yeah, I'm just gonna get into it. So I'm gonna show you my tips and tricks for like a really glowing skin without looking oily. So first, what you want to do is prime your face, of course. For me, my best primers are right now the Makeup Forever and the SmashBox. I mix the two because this one keeps me somehow matte during the day, and then I have this one is a smoothing one, so my base will be really smooth. So I'm going to start with this one. So this one I'll put only on my T-zone mostly, so wherever I get oily. And then I take my SmashBox primer and put it basically on top of where I just put my Makeup Forever. So basically right now we're looking matte and smooth. So next we want to do foundation. So what you can do, what I do, I mix some liquid highlighter. I take the L'Oreal True Match Lumi. It's in golden W101. It looks like this. So basically what you can do is mix it with your foundation. You can put it under, but I find this one works better if you mix it because it's glowing but not that much. It's just like a nice hue. So it's better if you like mix it with your foundation. I'm gonna mix it with my L'Oreal True Match and my Fit Me by Maybelline Matte and Poreless. I'm using foundations that are not too matte because I want that glow. I want the like dewiness a little bit after. With this, I'm gonna put it on a higher point. So I'm gonna put it like on my nose here. I'm just gonna use my fingers, and wherever I want to highlight, I'm gonna put some. Like that, it will mix with the foundation. You don't need much, honestly, but it's really up to you. So next, I'm going to take my foundation brush. This one's by Real Techniques. So I'm just gonna blend everything. Okay, so once you're blended, you guys can see like it's really hard to see on camera, but like there's a little bit of like glitter coming through and it's giving me like a little bit of a sheen. I know I look pretty matte, but you guys know I'm really oily, so like the shine will come through. I'm gonna go do my brows. I'm gonna do them offline because you guys see me do my brows like 100 times and it will save us some time, so I'll be back. Okay, so my brows are filled in. I'm just gonna clean it up like on camera for you guys. So what I like to do, I'm gonna use my Fit Me for my brows to clean them up. And then I'm gonna do my under eyes. I'm going to blend all this, and I'm just using like a dome brush like this. And to give myself some kind of a brightening under eye, I'm going to use my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. I'm just going to use a little bit just under the eyes here. Just to brighten under the eyes a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eyes with my Kat Von D. I'm really gonna set only the under eyes, so I'm really gonna go like here and here, trying not to touch my cheeks because I find that if you set your face everywhere, like on your cheeks, after, if you want to put highlight, it kind of looks muted down. So really try to go only under the eye. I'm gonna set the rest on my face, just make sure it doesn't move, only where I put concealer before. I'm going to bronze a little bit with my Bobbi brown. So I'm just going to use a little bit of concealer just to cut my cheeks a little bit so it looks more clean. Just the smallest amount. Just like this. Use the same brush as before. I'm just going to cut it. So I'm just going to set my cheeks with a little bit of my Kat Von D. I'm not gonna bake, I'm just gonna set. Okay, so I did my eyes, I put some mascara and some lashes. I did my lips, I just put on some gloss because it's supposed to be natural, you know. So now we're gonna move on to the highlight. This is the most important part because this is what it's gonna give you most of your glow. Honestly, like you can see, like I already look like highlighted, I already look like bronze and everything, but you still want to look glowy. So I'm gonna show you some suggestions for like the best combos because I never put only one highlighter, by the way. It's pretty rare unless like I have like a really natural look without barely any highlighter. But if I really want to glow, I actually mix my highlighters. So the best highlighter that I have in my collection would be like the Becca. I have the color Topaz. It's pretty dark, honestly. It's not my favorite one, but I love this one as a base. So what I do, I put this one first, whichever like highlight I'm gonna use, I always like this one as a base. So I'm just gonna take my highlighter brush and I'm gonna put it in like almost everywhere. So first, I'm gonna do my nose. I do my chin, but not always. But for the sake of the video, I'm gonna do it so you guys can see how it looks. So you really want to blend because this is your base. This is what your favorite highlight's gonna go on top of. So I'm gonna do my cheeks. You guys remember I said try not to put any powder here because if you put powder, then your highlight's not gonna pop. Basically, like you'll see it, but it'll be like muted. And then here like this, same thing. So take the time to blend. Honestly, if you have a nice brush, it's easier for me. Like I can never find the right brush to highlight, so I'm always switching. I'm gonna do my brow bone. The brow bone, usually I just take whatever's left on the brush and go with that. Sometimes I do the middle here. My forehead. And the inner corner. Usually for the inner corner, I change my brush. I go for something more like this. If you guys can see this. Because it really goes in there. So you can see that you already look highlighted. But for me, I like something that's more glowy. Sorry. So I'm gonna add highlight on top. The best one for me to add on top would be my Master Chrome. This one I really like because it has more of a sheen, like more like of a glow. But if I want something that's really glowy, I go for my Nicole Guerriero. I know it's limited edition, I'm sorry, but the Topaz with this, it's like I don't even have to edit my pictures, if you guys know what I mean. Another option I can give you guys is this one. This one also gives a a really good shine to your highlight. So this one I really like, but only put it like on the tip. When my Nicole, I can just put it everywhere. So this one I'm gonna use today. You guys will see, because the Nicole is the kind of highlight that you don't even have to wet and it looks wet. So that's why I like it so much. You can see this. I'm not even putting that much on my brush, honestly. A little bit on my chin, as well, again, forehead. So we're just gonna put it on top of everywhere we already put highlight. And I'm gonna take my small brush to do the inner corner. If ever you guys really want to glow even more, you can put a setting spray. And I do have a video on that, like how I make my highlight pop. It's a really old video, but if you guys really want your highlight to pop even more, what you can do after you're done, you put a setting spray, something that's like nice and like not too shiny, but like a nice, not matte, I would say, just like a nice setting spray. Like I love my Mirlaine or my eyeliner for that. Just spray it on, and when it's a bit still a bit tacky, not wet but still a bit tacky, you just add highlighter on top and it will look really nice. So for me, that's about it, because I know that I get dewy during the day, so I don't need more than that. But you guys can see like I'm pretty glowy right now. Okay guys, so that's it. This is my glowy makeup look. It's just an everyday makeup. Obviously you don't have to put on the lashes if you don't want to. For me, it gives me like an extra something. This is basically my everyday look, but like with extra glow. So I just so my two tips for this video would be like the liquid highlighter with the foundation, and then after a lot of highlight. And like I said, if you guys really want your highlight to pop, just put a setting spray. Honestly, it makes it pop even more. And once it's still a bit tacky, just add on more highlighter and you guys will see like it will basically look like this, if not even more. And yeah, it's just me, I get dewy during the day, so for me this is good. And I know like my highlight will just pop even more once it's all set in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Honestly, I love doing like natural makeup looks. I love my colorful looks, but when I go back and like just do my everyday makeup, I just love it, and I think it's just so nice. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions, leave them down below, of course. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.